Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. Today, we're diving into Canon error code 585, a common issue that can pop up on your Canon printers in 2025. If you're seeing this error code on your screen, don't panic, it's often fixable with a few simple steps. Let's break it down step by step so you can get your printer up and running again quickly. First off, what does error code 585 mean? This code typically indicates a problem with the printer's carriage or transport system. It could signal issues like a jammed paper path, a faulty ink cartridge, or even a hardware malfunction. In simpler terms, your printer is telling you that something is blocking its internal mechanisms from moving smoothly. Now, let's talk about the common causes. One major culprit is a paper jam. Maybe a sheet got stuck and you didn't notice. Another possibility is a loose or damaged cable connection inside the printer. Software glitches, like outdated firmware or incompatible drivers, can also trigger this error. And don't forget environmental factors, such as dust buildup or overheating, which might be affecting your device's performance. Alright, time for the good part, the solutions. Start by turning off your printer and unplugging it from the power source. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reset often clears minor glitches. Next, open the printer cover and carefully check for any paper jams. Remove any stuck paper gently to avoid damaging the rollers. If that doesn't work, inspect the ink cartridges. Make sure they're properly seated and not empty or expired. Try removing and reinserting them. Also, head to Canon's official website to download and install the latest firmware updates for your model. It could resolve software-related issues. For more persistent problems, connect your printer to a computer and run a diagnostic tool if available. If you're still stuck, it might be time to contact Canon support or visit a certified technician. There you have it, quick and effective ways to fix Canon error code 585. I hope this helps you get back to printing hassle-free. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other printer woes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.